Part 3. Water Cycle, Safe Water, and Acceptable Risk. JICA Hiroshima EPS Lecture in 2025. And Simple Bacteria Test. Rain falls on mountains and islands. There is a lot of sunlight, clouds form, and rain falls. Rainwater seeps underground and comes to the surface as spring water. It is purified in the soil and becomes clean water. We have been used natural safe water, which is natural spring water. This water is purified in nature without any chemical. EPS is a new purification system to make artificial spring water. This is wise use of natural phenomena. Familiar surface waters are not always safe. How to get safe water? Surface water is easily contaminated by pathogens and other dangerous worms. It is not always safe to drink directly. Fish is one of the indicator. Heavy metals are easily dissolved in underground water. This water does not contain enough amount of dissolved oxygen. Almost all pathogens may be removed by ceramic filter. The pore size is smaller than 1.5 micron. All the contaminated particulate matter can be removed by a membrane filter. But the running cost is so big. Natural spring water and rainwater are usually sweet and delicious. Presence of dissolved oxygen is key. Natural delicious spring water contains enough amount of dissolved oxygen. It is usually safe to drink. Addition of oxygen. Aeration is frequently used for treatment of groundwater, reduction of unpleasant tastes and odors, discoloration, precipitation of iron and manganese. Iron and manganese are oxidized and form nearly insoluble hydroxide sludge. They can be removed in a settling tank and a coarse filter. We have to think about acceptable risk and treatment. Which level of treatment? We need suitable one. We have to think always about acceptable risk and treatment. I could not say that bacteria-free water is safe. There are many kinds of bacteria in nature, in water and in the soil. General bacteria, many in the natural environment. Group of coliform bacteria, an indicator of pollution, many in the natural environment. Escherichia coli, indication of intestinal bacteria. Fecal Escherichia coli, an indicator of fecal contamination of mammals. Tiny number is pathogenic bacteria. Importat. Wash hand. This reduces the risk. Easy bacteria test paper of Sun coli paper. This is very useful for rural people. We try general bacteria paper and coliform bacteria paper during the JICA course. Please watch this YouTube. You can imagine how to use this test paper in the field. There are so many bacteria. Medical doctor touches with patients. Medical doctor is safe. Keep remind we have to think about acceptable risk. Gabrielle Heber published a book in 1985, Simple Methods for the Treatment of Drinking Water. It is popular in the world to eat with our bare hands. We have to remove the contaminated small stones in food. This is a reasonable way. This is part 3. This lecture continues to part 4.